African beauty, your body move me. Hey, don't look into my eyes, you see right through me.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is pretty much going to be a recap of my Christmas dinner. On the menu I had baked macaroni, coleslaw, potato salad, rice and peas, ribs, lamb, chicken, and I didn't have any sorrel juice, so I made lime juice. And I think that was about it. My goal when it comes to my cooking videos is to be able to give you guys specific measurements when it comes to the ingredients that I'm using. The way that I learned how to cook was pretty much by observing. So I pretty much eyeball everything, and I'm also pretty old school. So even if I have a strainer and a cutting board and all of that, I still use a lid and a towel to drain anything I gotta drain over the sink, and I cut everything in my hand, so don't judge me. What I'm gonna do, since I don't have the specific measurements, I'm gonna list the ingredients in the description box below, and I'm most likely gonna be cooking a lot of these things again so I can do more detailed videos on those specific items if you guys want to see that. Now, everybody has their own style and methods when it comes to cooking, so some of the things that I do in this video might be different from the way that you, your mother, or your auntie just do it. That's perfectly fine. We all do things differently, and even I like to switch it up sometimes when I'm cooking some of the things on this menu today. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. And that is all for the dinner, guys. Your girl was tired and hungry, but thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for next time. Bye.
Want you in all the ways. Hear me like Marvin Gaye. You whine like Chardonnay. I think I want to taste. Tell me what the ocean look like on the other side. This ain't no devotion. This is only for the night.